Welcome back everyone. In this video we're gonna cover a wrapper container for our application. So let's get started by making a new folder, and inside and the name gonna be wrapper container. Inside we're gonna have a new file called wrapper container as well. And let's create our wrapper container. We're gonna have two properties. It's gonna be nav head because we're gonna use it for the navbar and the header. Let's call it nav head, and for the rest it's gonna be children. So let's style it. We're gonna provide the children inside this div, children, and class name it's gonna be based on the nav header. So if there is no nav head, we're gonna provide one class, and if there is a nav head, we're gonna provide a different class. So it's gonna be container, then we're gonna have mx auto, padding x gonna be 4, background it's gonna be wrapper, we're gonna add it as well, wrapper background, it's gonna be full width as well, bg cover, bg no repeat, bg center, and rounded can be XL, and we can add translate, minus slate of 36, 36, I think I checked here, yeah, let's add something like that. And what else? Drop shadow to XL, otherwise we're gonna have container with mx auto and padding epsilon of 4, padding left right of 4. So when we check our application, nothing changed because we need to go to Tailwind config, and inside the Tailwind config we need to provide our containers, something like the breakpoints for the screens. So you need to add containers like an object that's gonna have screens, and inside the screens you're gonna have another object with small 15 pixels, and let's copy this 2 more times, and let's just change the keys. It's gonna be mid value 7 pixels, then you're gonna have a large 1040, then XL, it's gonna be something like this, and you can add a custom as well, maybe to XL, let's see, to custom 180 pixels. We need to restart the applications, and we need to add background because this background wrapper is gonna be our background that we're gonna provide, and we can add that by adding background image, and that background, small background image, it's another object, and it got something like wrapper background, and now we need to provide URL to that background. It's gonna be something like assets slash images slash wrapper pg wrapper round.svg. So these are assets, images, wrapper background.svg, that's our background that we're gonna be using here, and these are screens that gonna be used by children or the nav head. Let's restart our application first. restart. Let's start it again. Let's go to the home, and here we're gonna provide our wrapper now. So let's get it back here. Remove this. Okay, let's import wrapper container from wrapper container. Is it? Let's check it. It is not. So where did I provide it? Inside all components. Let's move it back to the components. Okay. So it is wrapper container for wrapper container, and let's wrap this with a wrapper container. And now we need to provide nav head here, because we are getting the image here and we don't want the image. We only want that class for the children, and if it's not nav head, we want only this. So let's provide nav head here. As you can see, everything is normal. We need to fix our navbar. We're gonna do that in a second, but first let's add another div here with a class name background of gray, 100 and width of full. Inside that div, let's add wrapper container. That's wrapper container gonna be for our midsection with that image here, with that image wrapper background. And for the navbar and the header, we're gonna use this class because we provide that property. And now we need to fix our navbar, and simply here you need to pick padding left of, I think, 20, or let's see, with the 20, and it is like 4/5, and as you can see, everything is okay. And now in the next video, when we're gonna start with the midsection, we're gonna provide this class with the image and also these breakpoints, and we will get that middle section under our phone. This is it for this video, everyone, and see you in the next one. Bye.